11.2a Part 3 concludes the problem we've been working on. And I want to make sure you know where these numbers come from. They tell us in the book that there's $10 par, 100,000 shares, 40,000 shares issued and outstanding. They tell us that that's where the 400,000 came from. They also say that paid-in capital in excess of par, which is commonly referred to as additional paid-in capital, or APIC, was 60,000. That tells us that of those 40,000 shares, some, maybe all, maybe just one, sold for more than $10 per share. I guess it's possible that all but one share sold for $10 and one share sold for $60,010, but that would be pretty unlikely. Then it asks us to bring over the retained earnings, and that was the sheet we just completed, and it asks us to bring over the ending balance of retained earnings of $504,500, $504,500, and the sum of those, they all just get added. Now this could be a negative. It's possible to have a reduction so great that your paid-in capital is a negative number. That would be really, really odd, but it is possible. Sum those numbers, $964,500. That's the total shareholder equity as of 12/31/17. So we went from a bunch of transactions to closing the income summary to retained earnings, creating a statement of retained earnings, to discover the ending balance of retained earnings as of 12/31, and then we prepared the owner's equity section of the balance sheet. Owner's equity and shareholder equity and stockholder equity all mean the same thing. I use the terms interchangeably.